All right, hello, my wonderful students. Part 3, foldable number 3, and this is given 2 points. Find the slope-intercept form, and we're going to use point-slope form to do that. And that's our y1 is equal to our m times x1 plus b. All right, so we have our 2 points, which is -1, 2, and our 3, 0. We're going to use this to find the slope-intercept form, then graph. All right, first things first, we're going to do our slope. So we have our m is equal to our delta y, which is -2, minus 0, which gives us a -2. And then we have our over our delta x, which is our -1, minus our +3. And if you owe somebody $1, now you owe them $3 more. Total we owe is $4. This is over. So I know that negative divided by negative makes a positive, but if I divide the top and the bottom by 2, I end up getting 1/2. Let's kind of keep things uniform. So we have 1/2, which gives us a 1/2. All right, so we have our slope and we have a point, but we don't know anything about our y-intercept. So what we're going to do is we're going to use an equation, and this is the equation we had over here on this side. It is our y1. Our y1 is equal to our m times our x1 plus b. So b we don't know, but we do know our y1 and we do know our x1. It's our 3 and our 0. So we're going to go ahead and plug that in. So we have our y1 is 0 is equal to our slope, which ended up being 1/2, times our x1, which is 3, and then plus our b, our unknown variable. Okay, so I wasn't handed any pencil. We know this here is just 1/2 times 3 gives us a 3/2, still equal to 0. Oh, what did I put 2 here? This is b. Sorry about that. That's supposed to be just b. Interesting. All right, and this is still our plus b because it's our unknown variable that we don't know, that we're looking for in order to put it into our slope-intercept form. All right, so now we're just going to solve for b. In order to do that, we have a fraction here. So we're going to subtract 3/2 to both sides. And we get that b, because 3/2 minus 3/2 subtracts to 0. So b is equal to -3/2. And so we're going to go ahead and do this now. So if we were to do this in ones, 1, 1, 1, we'll go a little bit more down here, put a point there, here, here, and here. One on the side just for fun. So we know our y-intercept is at -3/2. So -3/2 is actually -1 and 1/2. And 1 and 1/2 would be about right there. And then we know our slope is 1/2. So we can rise 1 and run 2. Rise 1 and then run 2. And we're going to check that right now using our points to make sure we're right. So I'm going to draw this graph real quick. I'm going to draw it a different color. I'm going to draw this color here. Okay. And so we use this point uses our, oh, we didn't actually write it down, but it's going to be our, right over here, y is equal to our m ended up being 1/2 x plus, or sorry, minus our 3/2. That's what we used to graph this here. But we're actually going to go back and graph our points to make sure that they're actually in the same things here. So we have our -1, 2, which is on the line, perfect. This is our -1, 2. And then we're going to do our 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. Another perfect, which is also on our line. So we know we actually did the math work right, and we graphed it using our slope-intercept form correctly as well.